Good morning, everyone. I am making breakfast for my kids. I'm making pancake with eggs and turkey bacon, all on a griddle. And making things with like the same, I guess, like pot, pan, or griddle, it's all about timing. So what I like to do is I like to cook my meat first, so that'll be the turkey bacon. Last week we had like the Garcia sausages, so that was very good as well. But I like to cook my meat first and foremost. And while I'm cooking my meat, I like to make my pancakes. Then once the pancakes are done, then the eggs that I had whipped up, I cook the eggs last. Eggs get cold really quick, so you have to do, well, I like to do it last. So I like all my food to be hot at the same time. So that's what we're doing right now. Let me show you. So this is my pancake mix. This is my eggs. It's not done getting beat yet. It's going to be completely smooth. It's not going to be any egg whites visible like this. And we have the Oscar Mayer turkey bacon, which my husband made it when he made this last week sometime. It was really good. And usually with the turkey bacon, I put it in the oven. So we'll see, because I really want to make it all on the griddle, just so I can show you guys all about timing and being able to use one thing for a whole breakfast.
That's a
All right, so let's do this again. So you see, these are the eggs. My husband did teach me how to beat eggs to get it nice and airy. And it's nice and
Chloe
smooth.
And
Look.
Ooh, that's so good, Mommy.
Thank you, Aiden. Make sure you want to be showing everybody.
Right here. And
Alright, so I am going to go about 6 deep. Six pieces of bacon at a time on this side. So this is all about timing. Remember? We were talking about timing?
Yes. And I think...
And then I'm going to do the pancakes on this side, right?
Yeah, and I think they're popping up.
Yeah, they're gonna get wiggly.
They're gonna get wiggly right now.
Yeah, they are. Okay, so my pancake mix look kind of flat.
Ooh.
After it's settled. After
my
it's set for a little. So my cameraman is Aiden. He's learning. He's still learning how to work the camera. And help me out.
I was gonna see the still thing it was on the back. Thought it was a coloring paper. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Vivianne, I'm more coloring.
Vivianne, she's like a half vegan.
Vivianne, come.
So
She's gonna put the pancakes.
I'm gonna do 2 pancakes at a time.
You see? Woo! Great, Mommy.
That's one.
That's another one. That's 2. Ow, my hand. That's 2.
And this is 2. Okay.
Okay, that's it. Mommy is making tea for the kids.
I'm making the tea for you guys, yes, for the kids. They said that they wanted the lemon ginger.
Lemon ginger.
The lemon ginger. It's good. I have the peppermint.
Can I put it inside, Mommy?
Yes.
Again, is coming to pour it inside. And she's coming.
Put it in there and let it steep for a while.
Steep. Oh, good, Vivianne. You're so nice. Mommy is gonna do the bacon. She flip over the blade.
I flip them, yeah, so we can cook the other side.
Yeah.
Right?
She flipped it again.
No, I just flipped it once for now, and then I'm gonna flip it again in a minute. So I like my pancakes like this. It's all airy. It's all the holes. You see, there is no wet batter on this side, but it still needs to cook on that side. And and I flip it over, just like that. And give that way a little bit of time.
It's popping again.
Yeah, because it's the oil. So here goes the bacon cooking.
Cooking, popping. I'm gonna get more burger.
Okay. So this is their tea steeping right now. And I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. Listen, I got some instant coffee.
Yeah.
I had the Folgers coffee. But like the single packets is what I have. And for 99 cents from Publix, remember, you get 7 packets. But it's not even an ounce worth of coffee in there for $1. So I figure for $5.99.
Oh, $5.99.
$6. I can get.
Vivianne.
I can get 8 ounces of coffee here. Okay.
Yeah. The bacon's cooked.
Alright, so I'm making my coffee.
Everyone,
Go ahead. Your sister's talking to them.
This is Valentina. She's crazy. Valentina, go in the room. Go in the room, Vivianne. Watch the Dying Charger. Power Ranger Dying Charger. So I'm recording, okay? Get out. Mom. I'm recording. What is that?
It's creamer.
I want to taste it though.
It's the French vanilla creamer.
Oh, I want to taste that. Mommy, can I not like that. Mommy is making.
Okay, now look at the bacon, how it's coming out.
Whoa!
I know, yeah.
And look at this.
And then the pancakes, I'm about to take those off and then put another pair of pancakes here.
Okay.
Just a couple, like I said, 2. And then we're gonna do more bacon.
Okay.
So I flipped them one more time. Okay, I flipped the bacon one more time.
Wait, let me
Just to
see.
get it cooking nicely here.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
You like that?
Yeah.
Nice color, huh?
Yeah, it's seriously hot.
Yeah, it is seriously hot.
And that looks like Mickey Mouse. That looks like Mickey Mouse. Max is right here. Hi, Mickey Mouse.
So now we're gonna put 6 more.
ABC. What? ABC. You gotta stop and name my love before you break my heart. You gotta stop and the name my love before you break.
Listen to French for me, Aiden.
I'm tired of being a accordion. I'm worse.
We're going to church today. We're gonna visit someone's church.
Woohoo! Gonna go to church? Mommy's baking more pancakes and bacon.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys. So you see, it's dry. Like I said, nothing. That's the way I like to do it.
And she's gonna flip.
Because that means whatever's on the other side is going to be nice and brown.
Yeah.
We'll have them like this. There goes the other side of those pancakes.
They're going to be like...
It's going to taste really good. Vivianne, are you ready to eat or you want to wait?
I'm ready to eat.
Okay, because you don't want any eggs. So I can give you pancake and bacon right now, okay?
I'm ready to eat too.
So that lemon ginger tea still steeping. Because I wanted to, spread it out between the 3 kids. And I have here honey. Now, but the amount of honey that you want to put in your tea, it's all up to you. So I just do it. My kids are not picky at all when it comes to drinking tea, eating, even water. So I just did a little bit, just enough so that lemon ginger taste can come out. So now we're gonna mix. Oops. pancakes off. And what you do with the pancakes, look at the pancakes. You stack them on each other. So the one on the bottom was from the first batch that I made. And that is still warm because I had put the hottest pancakes right on top. So now we're flipping these pancakes. I mean, this
Bacons.
These slices of bacon on the other side. Right.
Wait.
Okay, and now we're gonna make more pancakes.
Okay, we're almost done, everybody. We're gonna do something right now, and we're gonna watch. You're gonna watch us eat. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Now, I'm gonna do something right now, and I'm gonna.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna flip the pancakes.
Not yet. Why not yet? Why can't you flip the pancakes yet?
Because they're not, I can't flip them.
They're not ready yet.
Yeah.
Remember, you have to get more holes in it.
Ah. I can seriously smell the pancakes.
You can smell the pancakes?
Yeah. Yeah, I can smell them.
Not yet. Oh, I thought you were gonna flip the pancakes. So this is what I want to show you. What some people, like my husband, he'll probably flip it because it's mostly ready.
It's
You
ready.
see, but when...
It's ready right
Hold on,
now.
let me just show you.
Show you.
See, and it is harder to lift. I was going to show you. So you see it's a lot lighter than the usual.
Next one.
But it's still cooked. It's just, you know, on how well done you want it. Okay, so this is my last set of 6 turkey bacons that's going to be cooked. And I have these last 2 pancakes, and then right here on this side, while this bacon is going to finish cooking, I'm going to do the eggs, which is really quick and easy.
Yes.
Okay. So this is me doing the eggs scrambled. I do not season the eggs. I'm not seasoning them today, but when I do, but like I said, I don't really do this on the griddle. Usually I just do like pancake only.
Some water.
Usually I just do pancakes only on here, but I figure let me go ahead and limit the amount of dishes I have to do. Hi guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video of how I was able to make my pancakes, eggs, and turkey bacon all on a griddle. And my kids definitely enjoyed their breakfast. We were able to get ready for church bright and early, and we had a wonderful day. And don't forget to please subscribe to our channel for more videos with Moving On Up with the Monvils.